We're excited to be back in Orlando once again, but so far the show has been very, very successful. Our exhibitors and our attendees are very, very happy. Our secret sauce is education, education, education. We always put education first. We feel no matter what division of the beauty industry, whether it's day spa, nails, barber, hair, you can always grow, you can always get better. So the root of our success is education. Recently started to track all our attendees, whether it's on the exhibit floor, whether it's in the classroom, and that is very important to some of our larger brands, L'Oreal's, Paul Mitchell's of the world. All our major exhibitors want to increase their ROI on exhibiting, and to do that they want data. They want to know who was attending the show, who was attending their classrooms, and now we're very fortunate that we have that information to provide to them, which is a reason for the success of our show this year. Our attendance is up considerably from last year. We're thrilled and excited about that. We love Orlando. We love the Orlando Convention Center. The Orlando CVB has always been a great partner of ours. We do not foresee ever leaving Orlando.